Hello all, greetings to everyone. I'm Bhavin, responsible for the search service. So this will be a quick presentation on the updates of Nfdi4chem search service and its integration with the ontology-based functionalities. To others, like search service is an overarching search service that will have the data set from different repositories. It is completely based on CCAN, which is an open source or data management system. And uh, to briefly introduce how the harvesting mechanism works from different repositories, firstly, we harvest metadata of the data sets from various repositories, not only within the consortium as well as the outside non-chemistry specific data sources. So the metadata is enriched using the Python libraries to generate molecule image, miles, and inchi, or any other chemical information that is missing, and that will also help us in searching data sets for the researchers and the users. So this and I'll yeah, this will be the data set page that gives the information about the user or the searcher researcher is um, expecting from. So this will be a molecule and molecular information, and the user can simply click on the explore button and go to the source of the data set and get more information, of course. And there will be a brief description or additional metadata like the author and DOIs, measurement data, and molecular data resources. So regarding that, we have a small feature that how we technically speak, how do we use the ERI and the ERI term from the data sources? Like we have an example here from the NM archive data set. We use the CHMO ERI. So this will be the term, and the as Puya just explained, the TS, the terminology service APIs are used to fetch the other additional data like label, description, query, and define term. The color coding is similar to how we are within the NFT for chem. So when you go to the dataset page, this will be a tooltip kind of a hover text giving you information. So user can just point out and get the information. So regarding the ontology, and of course he can directly click on the hover text, and this will lead to the terminology page, terminology service page, and another feature that we recently added is the molecular data sources. Using the Unichem API, we fetch the INCHI key molecular information and use it to get more information of the data sources, where user can have an overview of the molecule he's looking for and molecule ID and the source, because a simple click will lead to the data bank. So this is a short update. Please, of course, look into a search service, and hope to have a review. Thanks.